Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate workflows using Zapier and Bubble, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with automating workflows using Zapier and Bubble, first, create your accounts on both platforms if you haven't done so already. Next, log into your Zapier account. In your Zapier dashboard, click on the Make a Zap button. You will be prompted to choose a trigger app. Search for and select the app you want to use as your trigger. Once selected, choose a specific trigger event from the list provided. After that, connect your account for the chosen app by following the on-screen instructions. Next, test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. Once the trigger is set up, proceed to the action step. In the action step, search for and select Bubble as your action app. Choose an action event that suits your workflow. Now, connect to your Bubble account by entering your API key. You can find your API key in your Bubble account settings under the API section. After connecting, map the data from your trigger app to the fields in your Bubble action. This mapping will determine how your trigger data is transferred to Bubble. Once you've configured the mapping, test the action to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the test is successful, you can proceed to name your Zap at the top of the screen. Finally, turn on your Zap to activate your automated workflow. You can now monitor your Zap's performance directly from the dashboard to ensure smooth operation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.